Hi, in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you how to add or how to give access to us or anybody to your Google Analytics. So you are on the main page and I am on the client side. We just created a couple days ago. So I'm going to show you how you can add it. Sorry. Okay, so main page, and then you will go to admin. And then you up here see wherever you want to, if you have multiple sites, you want to pick the one you want to do that. But it's on my website is just one. And if you only have one and you want us, you are hosting your site on our portal and you want us to add your site, just give us access to your Google Analytics. So after admin, we're going to go to account access management. And for giving us access, you will use this email, zippytentus@gmail.com. But right now, for just to purpose of like showing you, I'm gonna add another email, add user, and then I will add any email. Like I'm adding this. And then I would like to get full control when we manage the backend and see everything you have. So instead of marketing, because I learned that when we have access as a marketer, it just Google limits the access. So I would say make us a administrator, as we're not going to hack your site or do anything else. So we know we can add other property for you and we can do everything if we are an administrator. You can delete us anytime you want to. So, but here, I would make us admin and then you go here and close it and then save. So now you can see that I'm right here.